Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Ferry Mortgage, and I'm joined today by our loan officers right here in our branch, Monica Keith and Elena. Thank you, ladies, for joining us. And one of the things that we want to talk about with you is we've been supporting a lot of open houses. If you watch the video on Saturday mornings, we're out there, we're sharing, we're marketing with our open house flyers and our list reports. And some of these open houses have had 50, 60, 70 people, over 10, 15, 20 offers in one single day. And with Monica and Elena being at an open house of yours or showing up, they're able to be another set of eyes with all that traffic and all those people coming in. Yep. Just real quick in your experiences, some of the things you've been able to do.
Yeah, so when I'm at the open house, I can help greet the people that are coming in, make sure they're signing in. If they have questions about the house, I often know about the house from talking with the agent ahead of time, so I can help answer some questions while they're out showing the house.
And sometimes families come in with kids. Elena, you've had some great experiences.
Besides answering any questions that you might have or anyone might have, I can always keep the kids busy while the parents are looking around the house.
So they can focus on the house.
Babysitter.
Yeah, we got a babysitter here for you. So if you need support, help, and here's the other thing is safety. If you buddy up with somebody, if someone can't go with you to the office and you buddy up with Elaine and Monica, even myself when I'm out there at the open houses, we're there to support you and cross-sell you. Make sure you get those buyers signing in and work on those leads later on. So give us a call. We're here for you. We'll help you market your open houses, share it all over Facebook and social media platforms that we use, and we're right here. So click on the link below. You can reach out to the team, the Bill Murphy team, and we'll support you. Happy spring.